Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by selecting the right size and absorbency. This affects leakage control and comfort. Once chosen, lay out wipes, barrier cream, gloves, and a disposal bag within reach so you won't break position. Make sure the surface is flat and at a good height. This reduces strain and helps alignment. Start now by exposing the area gently and removing clothing in one controlled motion. This gives you a clean field and prevents accidental contamination. Once the area is clean, you should wipe front to back, patting dry to minimize friction and skin breakdown. Make sure to apply barrier cream only where needed. More is not better and can interfere with adhesive. Next, center the diaper under the buttocks, then pull the front up between the legs. This stabilizes placement and reduces gaps. Fasten the tapes symmetrically, adjusting tension so the fit is snug but not tight. This creates the primary leak seal and comfort balance. After fastening, check the fit by sliding 2 fingers between the waistband and skin. This confirms comfort without looseness. Smooth any wrinkles and reposition elastic edges to prevent chafing. Make sure leg gathers sit outside the adhesive area. Once done, dispose of used items in a sealed bag and wash your hands to reduce infection risk. If you notice leaks, make sure to refasten or change to a higher absorbency or different size. This troubleshooting keeps skin healthy and preserves dignity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.